guys, let's go over the other day when you took the release test, 26 to 50. So we are going to go over these problems. All right, Brad began working on a project at 10:15 a.m. and he finished the project at 3:26. So what is the elapsed time? All right, so we're going to do a timeline, of course. And I didn't mean to go at the top of my page, but here we are. So I'm going to do a mountain, and that's going to make this 11:15. I'm going to do another mountain, and I'm going to be 12:15. I can do another mountain, and that's going to be 1:15. I can do another mountain, and that's 2:15. Can I do another mountain? Yes, I can do another mountain, and that's going to be 3:15. Now I need to get from 3:15 to 3:26. I'm going to do a 10-minute heel, and that's going to get me to 3:25, and then 1 minute rock. That'll get me to 3:26. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 hours and 10, 11 minutes. Okay. So 5 hours and 11 minutes. All right. Two figures are similar but not congruent. So which two are similar but not congruent? So 2 and 4 are similar but not congruent. 1 and 3 are similar and congruent. Miss Perry placed a border around the bulletin board. The length of the border is an example of what? So around, this would be perimeter. The following dimensions of a rectangle with a perimeter of 26 inches. And the area is 42. So you can, stop and figure this out. But instantly, I'm trying to think of what would be 42. What are the factors of 42? And in my brain, I think 6 and 7. So let's look at this and see if 6 and 7 would be it. So if we have 6 and 7, 6 and 7 would be 42. Now let's see if that would get us the 26 is our perimeter. 7 plus 7 is 14. 6 plus 6 is 12. 4 plus 2 is 6. Yeah. So those are the dimensions. Point B is the center of the circle. BD is what? So looking from B and D. B and D is the radius. Obtuse triangle. An obtuse triangle has one obtuse angle, so that's going to be C. Which measurement is closest to the amount? We don't need to do this one. Well, no, we do. We could. Which measurement is the closest to the amount of milk in one drinking glass? 2 cups, 2 liters, 2 quarts, 2 gallons. 2 cups would be about what is in one glass. The mean. Now, this one you are going to be allowed to have a calculator. So if we're trying to figure out the mean, and remember the mean is the average. So we're going to put those in order. So I need 4, 7, 20, 24, and 35. So I'm going to add those up and then divide by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So I've got 7 plus 4 plus 20 plus 24 plus 35. That's going to be 90. I'm going to add that up one more time to make sure I've got the right total. And then I'm going to divide it by 5. That gets me 18. So the mean is 18, which is about in the middle. Greg needs an outfit for school. He must choose 1 shirt, 1 pair of pants, and 1 pair of shoes. So he can have 1 green color shirt, 10 pair of pants, boots or sneakers, green shirt, red pants, sneakers or boots. So it wouldn't be A. You're looking for green shirt, tan pants, boots, or sneakers. Red shirt, red pants, boots, or sneakers. It would be B. There are 4 different outcomes. A box contains 4 red, 4 yellow, 3 green tiles of equal size. Which question could be answered using probability? If Liz selects one tile from the box without looking, which color of the tile is she most likely to select? That sounds pretty good, but let's keep looking. If Liz selects one tile from the box without looking, how many tiles will be left? That is not probability. That is a math problem. That is figuring out a total. How many more red tiles than there are green? That is also a subtraction problem. And then what is the total number of tiles in the box? So A is the correct answer. The spinner shown is divided into equal sections. What is the probability that the arrow will point to a green section in one spin? All right, so green would be half-sies, so it would be 2/4 or 1/2. The following is stem and leaf. So the best thing to do on these questions is to create a stem and leaf plot yourself, okay? So I'm not going to be able to toggle back and forth, but let's just go on and look. But I would, if you have one of these questions on the SOL, I would make one. So we've got 7, then 85, 86, 88, 88, 89, 89, 91, 93, 94. This one's missing 97, so it's not A. I can already tell you it's not B because there's not enough right here. So let's look at this one. Well, wait. Maybe this is one. 77, 85. No, this one doesn't have 86. Oh, I didn't scroll down all the way. So 85, 86. I'm still not having enough room. Okay. It's D. It has all of them right there. Okay. When Leland is playing a game with these spinners, Leland will spin the arrow on each spinner one time. Which tree diagram shows all of the possible outcomes? Okay, so it can be blue, green, yellow, blue, green, yellow. You can land on 1, 2, or 3. So it can't be this one. It can't be this one. It would have to be C. All right, we don't need to do bar graphs. We don't have bar graphs. The mode would be 7. Remember, mode is the most. All right, which of these could be solved by using the open sentence 9 minus 3 equals P? Alexa had 9 parakeets. She gave 3 to Gabby. How many parakeets did she have left? That sounds pretty good. She had 9 parakeets. She gave 3 of them treats. How many treats did she give in all? That would be multiplication. Alexa had 9 parakeets. She got 3 more from Gabby. How many does she have now? That's addition. Alexa had 9 parakeets. She keeps them in 3 big cages. Each cage had the same number of parakeets. How many parakeets are in each cage? So that's division. So it'd have to be A. And when you're doing those, you want to look at them and think, okay, well, which operation is it? Which is the variable in this expression? That is going to be N. We'll talk about variables on Tuesday. Which should be the 4th figure in the pattern. So here we're going up by 3. So we've got 1, then you've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 4, 9. What do you think would fit there? Are you timesing by what? Are you timesing by 4th, or are we adding on? We're just adding on It would have to be this one, B, C. All right, there are a total number of Y students in Mr. Smith's classroom. Which of the following represents the number of students in the classroom when 3 are absent? Y minus 3. Mr. Tanner bought 4 books of stamps. Each book contains the same number of stamps. If S represents the number of stamps in each book, which of the following can be used to determine the total number of stamps? So 4 books with so many stamps in it would have to be multiplication. Bill wants to give away 1,152 trading cards. He divides the cards equally among his friends and writes this equation. What does the X represent? So this is the number of trading cards. This is the number of friends. X would be the number that each person gets. Darius has 25 marbles that will be separated into G equal groups. Which expression represents the number of marbles in each group? So 25 divided by G. Anytime you're talking about groups, it's usually division. Oh, man. Which problem could be solved by using the open sentence 2x equals 6? So we're looking at multiplication. Gabe washed 6 loads of laundry each day for 2 days. How many loads did he wash altogether? That could be it. After Gabe washed 2 loads of laundry, he had 6 more loads to wash. That would be adding. Gabe washed the same number of loads of laundry each day for 2 days. He washed a total of 6 loads of laundry. How many loads did he wash each day? And then Gabe washed 2 loads of laundry on Monday. On Tuesday, he washed some more loads. He washed 6 altogether, I think. Yeah, it was C. Okay, so that one was C. Raymond has 3 times as many trading cards as his friend David. Automatically, your multiplication. And this table shows the money that Tiffany has in her savings at end of each month. If the pattern continues, what is the total amount of money that Tiffany will have in her savings at the end of 9 months? So you're going up by what? Look at that and see what you're multiplying by. So you're doing 1 times 7, 2 times 7, 3 times 7, 4 times 7, 5 times 7, 6 times 7. And we need 9 months, so 9 times 7, which would be 63. So this is a pattern. You're looking at what you did to the input to get the output. All right, guys. See you later.